Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombucha taste good. First, ensure you begin with a robust SCOBY and high-quality tea, like black or green varieties, as these form the foundation of your brew. Maintaining a consistent fermentation temperature, ideally between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial for optimal flavor development. Always use thoroughly cleaned and sanitized equipment to prevent any unwanted off flavors from developing in your delicious homemade kombucha. During the first fermentation, brew a strong tea base, using about 4 to 6 tea bags per gallon of water. This provides ample nutrients for your SCOBY. Next, dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar per gallon into the warm tea. This is the fuel for fermentation. Allow your kombucha to ferment for 7 to 10 days, tasting it daily after the 5th day to achieve your desired balance of sweetness and tanginess. The second fermentation is where you infuse your kombucha with exciting flavors. Add fresh fruit, fruit juice, or herbs directly into your bottles. A good starting point is about 1/4 cup of fruit or 2 tablespoons of juice per 16-ounce bottle. Seal the bottles tightly and let them ferment for 2 to 4 days at room temperature. Remember to burp your bottles daily by briefly opening them to release excess pressure and prevent explosions. To truly enjoy your homemade kombucha, don't be afraid to adjust fermentation times to suit your personal taste, whether you prefer it sweeter or more tart. The real fun comes from experimenting with different fruit and spice combinations. The possibilities are endless. Once your kombucha has reached its desired flavor and carbonation, transfer it to the refrigerator. This will effectively halt the fermentation process, preserving its delicious taste and fizz for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.